you all are fine and doing well at your home. I, Miss Kajal, a teacher of DAV Public School, CCL Giridi, is going to teach you mathematics. So watch this video sincerely so that you can take advantage from it. We'll study chapter 3 of standard 7, that is rational numbers as decimals. Okay, we will learn how can we convert rational numbers as decimals. Okay, so suppose we have a question 3/4. We have to convert this rational number into decimal. How can we convert it? For converting a rational number into decimals, we have to convert denominator into the multiples of 10, whether it's 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, or any multiple. Okay, it can be any multiple of 10. So students, see, can we convert 4 into 10? No, we can't convert 4 into 10 because no such number is there by which we can multiply and can get 10, but we can get 100, right? If we will multiply 4 by 25, we can get 100, I know. So in this way we can multiply the given number. If we will multiply 4 by 25, then we can get 100, but if we are multiplying 4 by 25, we will have to multiply 3 by 25 also, so that it can be equivalent rational number. Then we will get 75 by 100. Okay, it becomes easy for us when we convert denominator in the multiples of 10. See, here we have denominator as 100. So how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. So we can write this rational number into decimal as, if there are 2 zeros, then we will put the decimal point just before 2 digits. Just before 2 digits. We are having here 2 digits, so we will put the decimal point just before 2 digits. Why? Because we are having here 2 zeros. That's why we are putting the decimal point before 2 digits. Okay, and I am writing a 0 so that this decimal point can be easily visible to us. Okay, you can write 0 or you can not write. This is your choice. I am writing here 0 so that this decimal point can easily be visible to us. Okay, next, our next part is conversion of rational numbers into decimals by long division method. How can we convert rational numbers into decimals by long division method? Suppose we are having two types of decimals, terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. At first we are dealing with terminating decimals. Let us convert rational number into decimals by long division method. So here we have to divide 5 by 8. So I am writing like this. I am dividing 5 by 8. So 8 के टेबल में 5 तो आता नहीं है, राइट? 8 के टेबल में 5 तो आता नहीं है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग यहाँ डेसिमल पॉइंट लेंगे. डेसिमल पॉइंट लेंगे. डेसिमल पॉइंट लेने से क्या होगा? हमारा यहाँ पर 0 आएगा. When we will take the decimal point, then we will have a 0 here in the dividend part. So now we can take 8 6 42. 48. 8 6 48. Then we will have the remainder 2. Okay. By this decimal point, इस decimal point से हम लोग बार बार भी 0 ले सकते हैं. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमारा भी remainder 2 आया है. We can take one more 0 from here. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे 0 ले रही हूँ तो यहाँ पे आ जा रहा है हमारा 20. So we can take 8 2 16. Okay. When we will subtract, we will get here 4. Again I am taking 0 from this decimal point. So it will be 40, and then 8 5 40. Now the remainder is 0. Now the remainder is 0. So 5 by 8 can be written as 0.625, or we can write it as 0.625, so that this decimal point can easily be visible to us. So we can convert the rational number into decimals by long division method by this way only. Okay. Now what is terminating decimal? See here we have got the remainder 0. यहाँ पर हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 आया. इट मीन्स कि ये जो राशनल नंबर था यहाँ पे हमारा टर्मिनेट हो गया है. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. ये टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका रिमाइंडर हमारा 0 आ गया है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज़ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल हमारा क्या होता है? इसके लिए लेट अस कंसिडर एन एग्जाम्पल. आई हैव टेकन है रैशनल नंबर 1/3. ओके. सो लेट्स डिवाइड इट. वी हैव टू डिवाइड 1/3. 1 doesn't come in a table of 3, so we'll take decimal here. By taking decimal we can take 0 from it. So I have taken 1 0. Now 3 3s are 9. When we will subtract, we will get 1. Again we can take 0 from this decimal. Again it is 10. 3 3s are 9 again. Again by subtracting we are getting 1. Again we can take 0. So here we can see this number is being repeated here, 0.333, and like this it will go on, and the remainder will be 1 only. When we will take 0 from here, then we will get the quotient as 3 only. It means it will never come to end. ये कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. ये हमारा रिमाइंडर कभी भी 0 नहीं आएगा. ये बढ़ता चला जाएगा. इसका कोसेंट ये हमारा कोई फिक्स नहीं होगा. 0.33333 ये बढ़ता चला जाएगा. तो चूँकि इसका रिमाइंडर हमारा 0 नहीं आ रहा है, सो ये जो है हमारा रैशनल नंबर ये कहलाएगा हमारा नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 0.333. अब चूँकि ये बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, 333 एक ही नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है, तो हम लोग इसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं, इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं इस तरह से, या फिर हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 0.3 बार. इसको हम लोग बार पढ़ते हैं. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि 3 ही हमारा बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, नॉट अदर नंबर. ओके. सो दिस इज़ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. क्वेश्चन हमारा ऐसा भी रहता है कि हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना रहता है वेदर द गिवन रैशनल नंबर इज़ टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट आउट? Suppose we are having a number, rational number 21/128. We have to find the rational number whether it is terminating or non-terminating without actual division. क्योंकि डिवीज़न by division method we can easily find out whether it's terminating or non-terminating. बट यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है कि बिना डिवीज़न के आपको ये बताना है कि whether it's terminating और non-terminating. इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसके लिए हम लोग देखेंगे डेनोमिनेटर. वी विल प्राइम फैक्टराइज द डेनोमिनेटर्स. इफ वी विल प्राइम फैक्टराइज द डेनोमिनेटर, देन वी विल गेट 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 2 जा 32, 32 2 जा 64, 64 2 जा 128. See, we are getting here only 2 as factors. सो अगर डेनोमिनेटर का फैक्टर्स या तो 2 या तो 5 या फिर दोनों, ओके, या तो 2 या तो 5 या तो दोनों आ रहा है, तो वो रैशनल नंबर हमारा टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. अदरवाइज़ इन दोनों के अलावे अगर कोई दूसरा नंबर हमारा आ जाता है फैक्टर्स में, तो वो रैशनल नंबर हमारा टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल नहीं होगा. Okay, for example, I am taking a question 18/27. Okay, here the factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. See, here the factors of 27 is 3, not 2, not 5. So this rational number is non-terminating. Okay, in this way we can easily identify without division method कि whether the given rational number is terminating or non-terminating. Now we have to convert this given decimal in standard form. We have to write this decimal number in standard form. How can we write it? At first we will have to remove the decimal point. When we will remove this decimal point, we will have to write 1 in the denominator. Okay, we will write 1 in the denominator. And how many digits are there after decimal point? There are 3 digits after decimal point, so we will write here 3 zeros. Now we will reduce this rational number. Okay, so I am starting from 2. 2 2 are 4 and 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 and 2 zeros, so we will write 2 zeros here.
2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 1 0. Now we can't reduce this number anymore. So the answer will be minus 13 by 250. In this way we can write the given rational number in standard form. Okay. Next, I have taken a question here. We have to add 15.1, 12.03 and 7.209. How can we add this number? Okay. So at first we will write these numbers in column form. Okay. So I am writing 15.1 and keep one thing in mind, that we have to write the numbers accordingly, means just below the decimal. The decimal will be just below the decimal of upper part. Okay, like we have to write now 12.03, so we'll put the decimal point just below it. Okay, and then write 12 and after decimal it is 03, we'll write 03. Okay, now 7.209. So at first you put decimal here 7. Now write 7.209, 209. Okay, now we have to add these numbers now. So for this at first we will have to convert these decimal numbers into like decimals. How can we convert these numbers into like decimals? We'll put zeros after decimal. Okay, so that the number of digits after decimal will be equal. So I have put here 0. Now put the addition sign. Now we will add these numbers. In this way we can add the given decimal numbers. So 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14. Now it's 3. So this is our answer. Okay. Now next is subtract 5.012 from 12.01. We have to subtract 5.012 from 12.01. So at first we will write 12.01. Then we have to subtract 5.012. So we'll write decimal here. Then 5 and after decimal it's 012. Then we will subtract and we will convert decimal numbers, given decimal numbers, into like decimals. So I am putting here 0. Okay. So when we will subtract, we are seeing here we have to subtract 2 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from here. So then it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And it will become 0. We can't subtract 1 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from the other place. So it will become 1, 10. Then it will become 9. It will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. It's also 9. 11 minus 5, 6. So this will be our answer. Okay. Next we have to multiply 2.4 by 3.5. So at first we will multiply 24 and 35. In the beginning you just leave the decimal points. Okay. So we'll multiply these two numbers. Then we will get 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 2 and 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 7. So here we are getting 840. So therefore 2.4 multiplied by 3.5 equals to 840. When we have multiplied 24 by 35, we are getting the answer 840. But here we are having decimal points also, so we will count how many before how many digits decimal point is there. यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे एक डिजिट के पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट है और यहाँ भी एक डिजिट के पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट है. मीन्स एक और एक कितने हो गए? 2. मीन्स 2 डिजिट्स के पहले हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट है. तो आंसर में भी हम लोग 2 डिजिट्स के पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करेंगे बैक साइड से 1 2. तो यहाँ पर हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट हो जाएगा. ओके. नाउ डिवाइड 0.02472 बाई 0.008. हम लोग को इन दोनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड करना है. तो हम लोग पहले क्वेश्चन को लिख लेते हैं लाइक दिस. ओके. So what is our first task? Our first task is that we will have to remove the decimal point. So we'll remove the decimal point. When we will remove this decimal point, then we will have to write here 1, and after decimal point there are 3 digits. So we'll write here 3 zeros like this. We will remove this decimal point also, and we are writing here 1, And how many digits are there? There are 5 digits after decimal point, so I am writing here 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will have to reduce these numbers, this rational number, है ना. At first see here it is 3 zeros, na. So we will cancel 3 zeros and 3 zeros. Okay. Now divide 2472 by 8. I am starting with 2. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 1 or 2 12 means 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 2 से 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 तो 2 के टेबल में आता नहीं है, इसलिए 0 और 1 जब यहाँ आ जाएगा तो बन जाएगा 18 मीन्स 2 9s are 18. सो वी आर गेटिंग है फ्रैक्शन. न्यूमरेटर में हमारा क्या बच गया है 309 और डेनोमिनेटर में हमारा बच गया है 100. ओके. सो इसे हम लोग डेसिमल फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? ये हमारा यहाँ पर है 2 zeros डेनोमिनेटर में. सो वी विल पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट बिफोर 2 digits. सो वी विल राइट हियर 3.09. दिस विल बी आवर आंसर. In this way we can do the operations on, do different types of operations on decimal numbers. Okay. अगर हम लोग को सिंप्लीफिकेशन भी दिया जाता है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन मीन्स अगर सारा ही साइंस हमारा उसमें प्लस माइनस डिवीज़न मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो जो हमारा सिंप्लीफिकेशन का रूल है बोर्ड मास रूल को फॉलो करके हम लोग ये इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके. सो आई थिंक दिस चैप्टर इज़ क्वाइट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
Thank you all for watching my video. Hope this video will be quite helpful to you.